In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Agoda Cash for booking accommodations seamlessly and efficiently. Agoda Cash is a reward program provided by Agoda that lets you earn and redeem cash on your future bookings, providing substantial savings on your travels. So, let's dive right in and see how this can be utilized effectively. First things first, you need to log into your Agoda account. Once you've accessed your dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you're aiming to find your profile icon, which is generally indicated by your username or a small profile picture. This is where you can access a host of personal account options. Once you've clicked on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled My Trips. This is your personal portal to view the details of your previous and upcoming journeys. It's neatly organized into 3 categories: upcoming, completed, and canceled trips, making it easy for you to navigate and track your travels. In the upcoming section, you'll see the trips that you have planned for the future. This area will show you all the details you need for your forthcoming adventures and is essential for managing your bookings. However, the focus now is on how you will use your Agoda Cash. To view your Agoda Cash balance, along with any rewards and credits you might have accrued, you'll need to click on the Rewards or Wallet section in your profile. This section provides a comprehensive overview of all your available Agoda Cash. Now that you know how much Agoda Cash you have at your disposal, let's learn how to apply it. When you're ready to book your next trip, proceed to search and select your preferred hotel or accommodation through Agoda's booking platform. Once you've found the right place that suits your needs, click on it to bring up the detailed booking page. This page offers a breakdown of amenities, price, and, most importantly for us, the option to apply any Agoda Cash you have. During the checkout process, you'll see an option to apply Agoda Cash. This handy feature allows you to reduce the cost of your booking based on your available cash credits. Make sure to select this option and follow the prompts to deduct your Agoda Cash automatically. It's a straightforward way to save money, and you'll see the total cost adjust before you proceed to final payment. Finally, confirm your booking and you're all set. Congratulations, you've just utilized Agoda Cash to make your travel experience more budget-friendly. Always remember to check back after each trip, as you could earn more Agoda Cash to use for your next journeys. Happy travels, and enjoy the savings.